Hey everybody, here I have just some loose dried lavender. And lavender is commonly used in natural scents in candles and in for essential oils, but you can also just use the dried flowers and it's going to have similar benefits. One common recipe that I like to use is just to take a tablespoon of dried lavender and add that to my just chocolate chip cookie dough batter and just cook them as normal and use your favorite recipe. And I find that lavender and chocolate really goes well together. And what you're doing is adding a really nice little element of stress reduction, and because lavender is just an overall, it's a relaxing and therefore stress reducing scent. And so by adding just a little bit of dried lavender flowers, you're giving yourself a nice little boost and making your cookies also beautiful. They're going to have a nice little color and just something interesting to try the next time you make chocolate chip cookies, for example. So just add a tablespoon of dried lavender.